going to show what I have done. So you can see this is the picture I have taken, and you will going to see that this is the after that. Like, it has no sun rays, and after that it has been created. So for your kind of information, I'm just going to delete all of the layers just to wait a little bit. So let's just delete it, and let's delete this too. So you can see this is the. So first of all, you need to check it out, like where the light actually coming from. So from these things, and this is the brighter part, obviously. Things are obviously the the darker part. So let me mark it. So these are the darker part. So let's just undo it. So I'm gonna the sample color, red, yellow, like highlights, scan, there's so many selection option here. But what we are doing to just to select the highlight part. Now we can see the part is here, the brighter part is white, and the darker part, which is not selected, is on black. So let's just hit OK. So we have our brighter selected. So now what we are going to do is Control click J to make a copy of it, and then we will make this layer as a convert to smart object. So let's rename it highlight. And then what we are going to do, okay, so we have to create the ray, obviously sun ray. As we can see, the sun ray should be come from this place. So let's just select to the filter, let's go to the blur, and let's come to the red dial blur. So as you can see, we don't need the spin, obviously we need the zoom that the rays coming from. And let's select the dropped just to see where actually we have selected clearly or not. So let's just hit OK, then see, now you just can edit it like this. From this place actually the sun rays is coming. So let's just delete, click, hit, let's just click again with a double click. Oops, no, not that way. Well, I should not have clicked that. Okay, so let's just click the best part one. Okay, it will take that much time how your picture quality is. So it's done. Okay, so now you can see it's a really a little bit thing, but I need more rays to coming over from that place. So I'm going to hit obviously copy the place, like let's click the highlight, copy. Now you can see it's just okay with it. I think it's okay. So these are the copy to make a brighter part to more bright. So what I'm going to do, let's just select the upper part from the lower highlight. Then you have to just press shift on keyboard, and let's just click. Then you can see that all of these highlight copies are being selected. Now what we need to do, let's just click right button, click, and convert it to the smart object. Okay, it's just happening. Let's just wait for a little minute. Okay, now we can see it has just been make a group with a smart object. Okay, then what we can do, let's just go to the filter again, and let's click blur, and we will be going now to field blur. Okay, so we are not going to make it blur, so let's just drag it to 0 and click it and make it to hair, just to make it unblurred. So I'm going to click it here to make a little bit blur. 15 is okay, and here is also, and here I'm going to choose also the little and little hair, and also little hair. Hope this is okay, right? It's just okay. I'm going to hit okay. Okay, now I'm going to click OK. So here is the difference a little bit. Okay, so what we are going to do now, it's not that much real actually, right? So we are going to make some changes also, and let's go to the, don't need to move that, actually don't need to move that. So now we have to change the blending mode, obviously, from normal to screen. See, now I'm going to show the difference. Like if we use the normal to the blending mode, we can see it's just like artificial, like as it is artificial, it's not looking that much real. So if I click the screen from normal, then you can see the brighter part is actually showing clearly, and this is what I actually wanted. Okay, then we can do, now you might have thinking like why the white part is coming, the sun's ray might be a little bit yellowish, so there's no need to be worried about it. I will go to the solid color and choose maybe this color. Okay, just select it, yellowish little bit, and you just have to obviously clipping and hit alter to the keyboard and click it and to make it clip. Okay, done. So as you can see, it's too much, I don't want that much. Okay, anyways, it's not a problem at all. So I'm going to change the color a little bit, like if you want it to make it more yellowish, then you can do it. Well, this is okay, I guess, right? This is okay. I should hit okay. Okay, so let's just click it, and now you can see the sun ray is coming over to you. But whenever if you actually watch or notice the thing carefully, you can see like where the ray is coming from, there is a kind of place where the drop shadow should be staying here, but here is not happening. So for this, what we can do, let's just create a layer, and I'm going to click what I should write, spotlight. Yeah, spotlight or light spot, I forgot. Anyways, that's not a matter at all. So you just have to create a brush tool, take a brush tool, and you can see the color has been already been selected. So from, like you can see here, there spot should be, and this place also, and you must remember that the flow of this matter should be in 30 or 40ish. So here is also, and also you can do it like there is no need more of it, because actually the brighter part, like the sun can enter in this peak very rarely, so you don't have to add more, I'm like that much light spot or spotlight, whatever it is. So it's not looking good, it's ugly, right? So what? Okay, let's just click it to the color dot. Oops, it's not happening that much good. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna do just double click here to open the layer style. As you can see, the blending if option here, we are going to hide the underline layer a little bit. Now you can see, as you can see, it's just hiding it. To break the bar, you have to click alter and move it. Now you can see it's really coming on, and it's getting realistic more. Okay with it? It's nice, isn't it? Yeah, you can see it. Okay, let's just hit okay. So you can see it's already done. We are already done with our this, but you just have to care about also curves. If you want to adjust or add curves on there, like let's just select it, like this place, which place there should be a brightness. So let's just hit okay. Obviously you will go to the mask option and all Control I to make it invert, and you have to select brush option, and you can see the foreground color should be in black. Okay, so let's see where I want actually the brightness should come from. So I'm gonna click this one, obviously this one, yeah, that one, a little bit, this one, that's it. I don't want it more, it's getting a more realistic. On the other hand, if you just don't want to, like, there should be something light spot to be like some kinds of things you should be undo. So what I can do is, like, let's just click a mask, make a mask layer, and let's just invert the color of it, and brush, you just can do it here, color fill, we just have to move it like the way we are doing. Okay, a little bit is move, a little bit of moving, like a moving thing. Like, where do you think there should be a list? There should not be on that much. You will just understanding keep us just rowing. That's it, that's it, that's the part you actually wanted. A little bit of little bit. So here also you can make a change a little bit. Okay, okay, it's just nearly done. Okay, so you can see we are already done with our creating layers, rays of the sun. So this is how we can do it easily to make it. Like, this was the before, no sun gray, and this is the after. This is really like dramatic and a kind of great. Like, this is how you can do it easily. Thank you, thanks for watching.